Imagine the crisp mountain air, the stunning vistas, and the serene quiet of the Catskills. It is an incredible place to explore, but to truly enjoy it and stay safe, preparation is key. Knowing what to bring can make all the difference between a memorable adventure and an uncomfortable ordeal. For tackling the beautiful Catskills hiking trails, essential gear includes sturdy, waterproof hiking boots, multiple clothing layers, reliable navigation tools, ample hydration, and sufficient trail-appropriate nutrition. These core items form the foundation of a safe and enjoyable outing. The Catskills present unique challenges that necessitate this specific gear. The terrain can be surprisingly rugged with rocky ascents and descents, making ankle support and traction from quality boots non-negotiable. Mountain weather is notoriously unpredictable, often changing rapidly from warm sunshine to cool rain, even within a single afternoon, requiring adaptable layers. Many trails, especially on higher peaks, can be less clearly marked than urban parks, highlighting the importance of dependable navigation, and staying fueled and hydrated is crucial to avoid fatigue and maintain focus on longer treks. When selecting your gear, opt for moisture-wicking base layers to manage sweat and insulated mid-layers for warmth, topped with a waterproof and windproof outer shell. For navigation, always carry a physical map and compass in addition to a fully charged smartphone with offline maps. Pack more water than you think you will need, perhaps 2 liters or more for a day hike, and bring high-energy snacks like nuts, dried fruit, or energy bars. Additionally, a small first aid kit, a headlamp, and a whistle are critical for unexpected situations. One insider tip for the Catskills is to always check trail conditions and weather forecasts for the specific elevation you will be hiking. Higher peaks like those in the Catskills 3,500 Club can have drastically different conditions than lower elevations. Also, familiarize yourself with trail markers, such as the familiar blue, yellow, or red blazes, before you set out, as signage can sometimes be sparse. Understanding the nuances of these trails will empower you to choose your gear wisely. Ultimately, equipping yourself with the right gear for Catskills hiking trails ensures not just comfort, but also your safety and the ability to fully immerse yourself in the natural beauty of the region. Being prepared for varying conditions and potential challenges allows you to confidently explore, knowing you have what you need for a truly rewarding experience.